Hello guys, what are different affiliate digital marketing? COVID-19 sparked global economics transformation. Marketing plans had to be adjusted due to the pandemic uncertainty, and affiliate marketing is no exception. Affiliate marketing has gained appeal as a low-cost business growth plan. This marketing strategy is ideal for small businesses since it increases revenues with less expense and work. From single item shop to gain corporations, almost every major e-commerce store has an affiliate program or is part of an affiliate network. The world of affiliate marketing can be cutthroat. To be successful in it, you must keep up with market trends. With more affiliate today, 2022 will be an exciting year for affiliate promotion. Top 7 affiliate marketing trends for 2022. What is affiliate marketing? What are the advantage of a affiliate program? What are the top affiliate marketing trends for 2022? Frequently asked question. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing allows companies or brands to work with partners, also known as affiliate or publishers, to reach a wider audience and generate more revenue. You pay your affiliate whenever they have their attended work, such as driving sales, increasing leads, or gaining new client. In affiliate marketing, you are paying for actual result. The internet has expanded the popularity of affiliate marketing. Amazon made it household name by creating an affiliate marketing program. The network allows website and bloggers to share link to a specific Amazon page product for ad revenue. Note that affiliate marketing relies a vast network where the marketing can take place. If you have an e-commerce shop, your marketing affiliate can help your brand reach a superior online following. The larger affiliates network